This is the strange attractor. More or less 1 year ago, I created the brand I Love Chaos, which is meant to popularize chaos theory through philosophy, art and science. The first product in the shop has been the Fractal Art Calendar, which is still available. The second was a small booklet about the Mandelbrot set, named The Popular Guide to the Mandelbrot Set. Right now, this is only available in German language, but we are working on a translation. It is about the butterfly effect or chaos theory in general. The butterfly effect, as demonstrated here, is an euphemism for a small change can trigger huge changes. And the butterfly in China creates a tornado in Brazilian. The latest product we have just created and released in our shop is the I Love Chaos mug, which has a different symbol or logo on each of the cup you buy. So you will receive an individual unique cup for yourself to drink from and show your dedication to chaos theory. Let me lose a few words about what is my motivation behind this, why I am doing this channel since more than 10 years now. There are two main topics that I think are relevant and very good to understand for people from the outside. The first one is the chaos theory in general is a perfect tool for us humans to describe the nature. As Mandelbrot describes it, mountains are no triangles, clouds are no spheres, and lightnings do not travel in a straight line. So it is just a tool which helps us to describe the nature a little bit better and more specific. All of the use cases that come with it will be covered in this channel over the time. A second is we have the revolution of artificial intelligence right now. Artificial intelligence is nothing else than applied chaos theory using complex mathematic formulas. At the end, it is a deterministic system. And the Mandelbrot set is basically showing how complex results can arise out of deterministic systems. In fact, in the book, The Popular Guide to the Mandelbrot Set, I stated that these shapes here can be interpreted as a target for an artificial intelligence. I use the example of a stop sign that needs to be detected by a self-driving car. So when you put a small aluminum strip on a stop sign, you will see that the artificial intelligence sometimes can no longer interpret it as a stop sign. Depending on the position of the aluminum strip on the stop sign, you receive different results, which leads me to the theory that the Mustererkennung, the shape detection, is something that has a rough shape. So, as you can see, chaos theory is everywhere. And yeah, like our channel, subscribe to our channel, like our products in the shop, and feel free to buy one if you feel so. There's no pressure involved. So, see you!